Hey there, meet the Authentik BuzzyGrill, your perfect camping grill with a stainless steel grate and cast iron cookware hook. This grill is easy to use. Simply place it near your campfire, add food, and rotate it a full 360 degrees over the coals. It features an 18 by 18 inch cooking surface with a 1-inch lip to keep food from falling into the fire. You can adjust the height from 6 to 42 inches to avoid burnt food and swivel the grate left or right for perfect cooking control. The grill collapses easily for portability and sets up in minutes without any tools. Built to last, it has a durable textured powder coat finish and includes handy barbecue utensil hooks for your spatula and tongs. Enjoy a convenient and versatile cooking experience with the Authentik BuzzyGrill on your next outdoor adventure. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.